Hello students, hi everyone. Welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. We'll begin practice at 11.1 on textbook page number 69. The following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. Altogether there are 3 columns in table. In first column is given number of saplings in bracket scores, that is xi. In second column is given number of students in bracket frequency, that is fi. In third column you have to multiply number of students, that is fi, into number of saplings, that is xi. First one has already multiplied and has already done the sum to you. We will do the next sum. Number of saplings is 2, number of students is 6. fi into xi, that is number of students into number of saplings, is 6 into 2. Answer is 12. Next one, number of saplings is 3, number of students is 12. fi into xi, that is number of students into number of saplings, is 12 into 3. 12 3s are 36. Number of saplings is 4, number of students is 8. fi into xi, that is number of students into number of saplings, that is 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. First you have to add the total number of students in bracket frequency fi. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 8, number is 30. Now you have to add total numbers of fi into xi. 4 plus 12, 16. 16 plus 36, 52. 52 plus 32, total is 84. That is sigma fi xi is equal to 84. Now you have to use the formula of mean. The formula of average or mean is sigma fi xi upon n, that is equal to 84 upon 30. Now you have to divide 84 by 30. 32s are 60. 84 minus 60, answer is 24. You have to take decimal point 0. Decimal point you have to put on quotient place. 0 you have to bring it down. 38s are 240. 240 minus 240, answer is 0. After dividing 84 by 30, quotient is 2.8. Therefore, the average number of trees planted is 2.8. The following table shows the electricity in bracket in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in the month of May. Complete the table and answer the following questions. Altogether there are 3 columns in table. In first column is given electricity used in bracket units xi. In second column is given number of families in bracket frequency fi. In third column is given fi into xi, means you have to multiply number of families frequency fi into electricity used in bracket units xi. First one, number of electricity used is given 30. Number of families is given 7. You have to multiply number of families into electricity used, that is 7 into 30. 7 zeros are 0, 7 3s are 21. Answer is 210. Second one, electricity used is given 45. Number of families is given 2. You have to multiply number of families into electricity used in third column, that is 2 into 45. 2 45s are, answer is 90. Next, electricity used is given 60. Number of families is given 8. Multiply number of families into electricity used, that is 8 into 60. 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48. Answer is 480. Electricity used is given 75. Number of families is 5. Multiply number of families into electricity used, that is 5 into 75. 5 5s are 25. 2 you have to carry on the tens place. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. Answer is 375. Next, Electricity used is given 90. Number of families is 3. Multiply number of families into electricity used, that is 3 into 90. 3 zeros are 0, 3 nines are 27, that is 270. First you have to add total number of families in bracket frequency Fi. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 3, answer is 25. So the number is 25. Now you have to add total number of Fi into hexi, that is 210 plus 90 plus 480 plus 375 plus 270. 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 7, 32. 3 you have to carry up, 2 you have to bring it down. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, answer is 14. That is total number of Fi into hexi, answer is 1425. After solving this table, you have to answer the following questions by observing this table. First one, how many families use 45 units electricity? Answer is 2 families. Next, state the score, the frequency of which is 5. The score is 75. Next, find n and sigma Fi xi. Number is 25. Sigma Fi xi is 1425. Next, find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. You have to use the formula of average or mean. The formula of average or mean is sigma Fi xi upon total number of frequency. That is sigma Fi xi number is 1425 upon total number of frequency number is 25. You have to divide 1425 by 25. 25 5s are 125. You have to subtract 142 minus 125. Answer is 17. 5 you have to bring it down. Now 25 how much are going? 175. 25 sevens are 175. 175 minus 175, answer is 0. After dividing 1425 by 25, quotient is 57. That is, answer is 57. The number of members in the 40 families in Bilar are as follows. Prepare a frequency table and find the mean of members of 40 families. Altogether there are 40 numbers. Total number of members is 7. You have to draw the 4 columns table. In first column you have to write number of members in bracket xi. In second column you have to write tally marks. In third column you have to write number of families in bracket Fi. In fourth column you have to write Fi into hexi. In the first column, that is number of members xi, you have to arrange the numbers vertically in ascending orders from 1 to 7 like this way. Number of members 1, how much is there in the given question? You have to underline it now. Number of members 1 is 2. You have to mark the tally marks 2 like this way. Tally marks, how much you have marked? Now you have to write the number of families. Number of families 2. You have to multiply Fi into hexi, that is number of families into number of members. 2 ones are 2. Number of members 2, how much is there? Now number of members 2 you have to underline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of members 2 I find 8. You have to mark the tally marks 8 of the number of members 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way you have to mark the tally marks of the number of members 2. Tally marks, how much you have marked of the number of members 2. Number of families you have to write now 8. Now you have to multiply Fi into hexi, that is number of families into number of members, that is 8 2s are 16. Now you have to underline number of members 3 and you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of members 3 is 7. You have to mark the tally mark 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If tally marks is 7, number of families also is 7. You have to multiply Fi into Xi, that is number of families into number of members. 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. Now you have to underline number of members 4 and then you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of members 4 is 8. You have to mark the tally marks 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If tally marks is 8, number of families also is 8. You have to multiply Fi into Hexi, that is 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. Now you have to underline number of members 5 and then you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of members 5 is 7. You have to mark the tally mark 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If tally marks is 7, number of families also is 7. Now you have to multiply Fi into Hexi, that is 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. Now you have to underline number of members 6 and then you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of members 6 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tally mark 6 you have to mark in this way. If tally marks is 6, number of families is 6. Now you have to multiply Fi into Xi, that is 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Now you have to underline number of members 7 and then you have to count. Number of members 7 is 2. You have to mark the tally marks 2. 1, 2. The tally marks is 2, number of families also is 2. Then you have to multiply Fi into Xi, that is number of families into number of members. 2 7s are 14. First you have to add total number of families, that is frequency Fi. 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 7 17. 17 plus 8 25. 25 plus 7 32. 32 plus 6 38. 38 plus 2 40. So the total frequency is 40. Now you have to add the total number of Fi into Xi. 2 plus 16 18. 18 plus 21 39. 39 plus 32 71. 71 plus 35 106. 106 plus 36 142. 142 plus 14 156. So the total number of Fi into Xi is sigma Fi Xi is equal to 156. Now you have to use the formula of average or mean. The formula of mean is sigma Fi Xi upon total number of frequency, that is sigma Fi Xi, how much answer you got, 156, upon total number of frequency, how much answer you got, in that you have to divide. 156 by 40 you have to divide now. 43s are 120. Subtract the number 156 minus 120. Answer is 36. You have to take decimal point 0. Decimal point you have to put on quotient place. 0 you have to bring it down. 49s is going 360. 49s are 360. 360 minus 360, answer is 0. After dividing 156 by 40, answer is 3.9. The number of science and mathematics projects submitted by Model High School, Nagpur in last 20 years at the state level science exhibition. Prepare a frequency table and find the mean of the data. Altogether there are 20 numbers. The number of science and mathematics projects are from 1 to 5. First you have to draw 4 columns table. In first column you have to write number of projects in bracket xi. In second column you have to write tally marks. In third column you have to write number of frequency in bracket fi. In fourth column you have to write fi into xi. In first column number of projects in bracket xi, you have to arrange the numbers in ascending orders vertically from 1 to 5 like this way. Project number 1, you have to underline and count in the question how much is there. Total there are 3 project number 1. You have to mark the tally marks 3 like this way. If tally marks is 3, number of frequency also is 3. Then you have to multiply fi into xi, that is number of frequency into number of projects. 3 ones are 3. Now you have to underline and count project number 2. Project number 2 total is 6. You have to mark the tally mark 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If tally marks is 6, number of frequency also is 6. Then you have to multiply fi into xi, that is number of frequency into number of projects. 6 2s are 12. Now you have to underline and count the project number 3. Project number 3 total is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If tally marks is 6, number of frequency also is 6. Then you have to multiply fi into xi. 6 3s are 18. Now you have to underline and count project number 4. Project number 4 total is 3. Then you have to mark tally marks 3. 1, 2, 3. If tally marks is 3, number of frequency also is 3. You have to multiply fi into xi, that is number of frequency into number of projects. 3 4s are 12. Now you have to underline and count project number 5. Project number 5 only is 2. So the tally marks you have to mark now 2. If tally marks is 2, number of frequency is 2. Then you have to multiply fi into xi, that is number of frequency into number of projects. 2 5s are 10. Now you have to add total frequency number. You can count with your fingers when you are adding total number of frequency and total number of fi into xi. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 2 20. Now you have to add total number of fi into xi, that is sigma fi xi is equal to 3 plus 12 15, 15 plus 18 33, 33 plus 12 45, 45 plus 10 55. Now you have to use the formula of average or mean. The formula of mean is sigma fi xi upon total number of frequency. After adding total number of fi into xi, answer which you got, that is sigma fi xi. So that number you have to write, that is equal to 55 upon total number of frequency. Answer which you got after adding number of frequency, you have to write that number, that is upon 20. Now you have to divide 55 by 20. 22s are 40. Subtract the number 55 minus 40. 55 minus 40, answer is 15. Now you have to take decimal point 0. You have to put the decimal point on quotient place. 0 you have to bring it down. 27s are 140. 150 minus 140 you have to subtract now. 150 minus 140, answer is 10. Take one more 0. 0 you have to bring it down. 25s are 100. 100 minus 100, 0. After dividing 55 by 20, quotient is 2.75. So the answer is 2.75. If you understood class 8 maths, practice at 11.1 sums on textbook page number 69 and 70, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.